Okay, so we're back to our concept of the atom, and what we're going to have a look at today is actually how it is structured. So these little videos are going to be useful for revision. So if we're going to draw an atom, we can draw the very basic form of atom that was developed by Rutherford and Niels Bohr, okay, back in 1911. And what they said is the atom is composed of a nucleus, and around the nucleus are a series of electrons, and those electrons move around the nucleus in a series of orbitals or shells. Orbitals is the more correct word for describing the pathway of electrons around the nucleus, but you will often hear the term shell or even orbit. Okay, so the nucleus in the center is made up of neutrons and protons. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge, and neutrons are neutral. Now, we have to start thinking of energy within the atom, and we are going to have a look at the concept of binding energy and potential energy. Okay, but just to recap, the atom is made up of a central nucleus. The nucleus contains neutrons and protons. Protons have a positive charge. Around the nucleus, in a series of orbitals, shells or orbits, are the electrons which are moving around the nucleus. Electrons have a negative charge. What we'll have a look at next is the concept of energy and the relationship between these negative electrons and the positive nucleus in terms of binding energy, and the relationship of where those electrons are in relationship to the nucleus, which is their potential energy.